Dear hotel enthusiasts and business entrepreneurs, for your maximum relaxation, I present you now the Panviman Koh Phangan Resort, which is sort of in the north of the island, nestled in the rocks at that beautiful bay behind me. Let's have a look at the rooms. At the moment, the hotel features two restaurants, one by the pool and one by the beach. Both have really nice views of the sea and the island. They both have the same menu. However, if you fancy, you have 3 more restaurants just down there by the beach. And that was my little insight in the Panviman Resort in Koh Phangan. See you at the next hotel.